10 coolest gadgets that are worth checking out. The world of high-tech gadgets has never been more crowded than it is right now. Everywhere you look, there's a new device that promises to make your life easier or more enjoyable. Our daily routine leans heavily on technology because it aids productivity, works effectively, and overall personal development. In this video, we'll look at 10 of the best gadgets worth checking out to determine which is perfect for you. You sure want to watch the entirety of this video because we'll also examine the features and perks that makes these gadgets stand out from the rest of the pack. Let's get right into it. Keeping track of everything within the tech space can be time-consuming. However, it can be highly rewarding too, especially for nerds who can't seem to resist the impulse to try out every new technology that hits the market. We've compiled a unique catalogue of gadgets that will tickle your fancy, ranging from smart communication devices to self-defense gear and engraving machines. Let's get right into it. 10. OGT Survival Companion Pro. This die-cast aluminum original gangster tool is a collection of essential self-help tools and your ultimate survival companion during emergencies. It features a fold-out ferrocerium fire starter, magnesium tinder rods, opener, carbine blade sharpener, scraper, removable stainless steel clip, and a thermometer. A compass and a whistle are also available. Those will come in handy if you happen to find yourself in unknown terrain. The OGT Survival Companion Pro is convenient, sturdy and lightweight, weighing 0.27 pounds only. And just in case you need to loosen or tighten a screw, the flat screwdriver and 4 different hex keys will serve you just right. This right here is a top contender for the most versatile gadget in this video. 9. Armor Case for iPhone 12 Pro Max. Stay protected against the inevitable. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is currently one of the most premium gadgets in the tech space. However, it could become a liability if mishandled. A fault to one of its vital elements, such as the screen, could set you back as much as $329. On Amazon, the average armor case costs between $15 and $50. When you do the maths, the armor case becomes more of a necessity than a luxury. It offers heavy-duty protection against dents, cracks, and other physical harm that could occur due to carelessness or human error. Some iPhone 12 Pro Max armor cases take things far and beyond by offering kickstand and wireless charging features. Quite an important accessory to have, especially if you've got slippery hands like me. 8. Laser Pecker Pro. You cannot help but think even Cyclops will be fascinated by this gadget. For less than $300, you can explore your creative side and bring your ideas to life on your clothes, books, leathers, and other surfaces. The Laser Pecker Pro is lightweight and portable, with 4 engraving modes and 4 file formats: JPG, BMP, PNG, G-code, photo vector. It also has an active warning alarm, a motion trigger halt, and a password lock. It's easy to use. First, you'll need to plug the Laser Pecker Pro into a power bank and connect your phone to it via the Laser Pecker app. Next, choose and upload the image or design you'd like to engrave. If necessary, edit, optimize, and preview to see how the final design looks. Lastly, give your approval to the design and wait for the Laser Pecker to work its magic. This would be a good way to kickstart your art collection career. 7. Spider-Man Web Shooter. Talking about ideas, the sight of Spider-Man shooting his web at every enemy in sight while scavenging across high-rise buildings was every child's idea of a perfect life. You probably would never be able to do the same. But how does a real-life, fully functional web shooter sound? Close enough, I guess. This web shooter works better on metallic objects with a distance of 2.7 meters, and the web can be replaced effortlessly within 60 seconds. The Spider-Man web shooter can double as a hand watch when you're not in the mood to pull things closer. Not sure what you'll need this for, but it certainly won't hurt to fulfill a childhood fantasy. 8-year-old me would have worn this gadget to bed, hoping to have a fly day with Spider-Man on the other end. 6. Zoleo Satellite Communicator. Do you intend to embark on a dating adventure? Here's a box you might want to check off your bucket list. The Zoleo Satellite Communicator provides a safe, unlimited network connection from anywhere and everywhere on the planet. It features built-in check-in and SOS buttons to notify other people about your location when your smartphone's battery is exhausted. It only takes 2 hours of charging to get filled, but the lithium-ion battery is strong enough to last 200 hours. Users also have the option to attach their exact location coordinates in messages and receive accurate weather forecasts. 5. Forever PIN. After decades of endless search, we finally found something that lasts forever. How much writing can you do? Because this eternal pen is not about to dry up anytime soon. Oh, it doesn't even run on ink. Its unique metal alloy tip oxidizes the paper or any other surface it comes in contact with, enabling you to write for a lifetime and possibly even more. Measuring less than 1 inch, the Forever Pen is portable enough to go with you everywhere. Not to mention that it's water resistant and can also serve as a box or pry opener. 4. Man Mower Trimmer. Everyone would love a spotless shave. That's exactly what you'll get with this Man Mower Trimmer. It has 10 free spinning blades that will help you trim your beards to whichever length or style you deem fit without having to wait on anyone. It's efficient, easy to use and handy. The Man Mower Trimmer entry-level model is the Small Mini Explorer. It comes in 3 variants: Mini SSS, Mini SBB, Mini DAA, all available for £69. The Compact Minimoto DAD and the Minimetro DAMS will set you back by £99 and £111 respectively. They're certainly an option for everyone. Want a dry shave? That's possible too, because this trimmer works just fine without water and shaving foam. Right before we look at the next set of gadgets, if you've made it this far, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. 3. Inmo Air Smart Glass. Inmo Air is an augmented reality smart glass that offers a range of exciting navigation and wireless communication features. You can take a picture or make a video with its side HD camera, or let its AI assistant run you through your daily schedule and translate foreign languages to you. Users will also like the advanced navigation system, which has compass and 3D roadmap capabilities. The Inmo Air Smart Glass can be easily manipulated using its user-friendly smart control system, offering touch control, gesture signal and head movement sensor. It is beyond cool. It's simply exceptional. 2. Electric Shocking Ring. Keep the bad guys away with this easy-to-use self-defense tool. On the other hand, you could be the bad guy that keeps other bad guys in the neighborhood in check. I'm quite sure no criminal wants to be on the wrong side of a 2 million volt electric stunner. Quite scary even for the user. The part you'll hold is covered in ABS shock-resistant and anti-discharge polymer, so you don't have to worry about getting electrocuted while using the taser on human or animal aggressors. This electric stunner has 3 shock modes and a large activation switch to reduce the chances of accidental discharge. Additionally, it can be wrapped nicely into its backpack to keep aggressors unsuspecting of what you have in stock for them. 1. Mural Canvas 2 Smart Art Frame. You won't need to buy a new picture frame every time there's a special occasion to celebrate, because the Mural Canva 2 Smart Art Frame has got you covered with its revolutionary digital features. This sleek designed 27-inch HD frame will give you access to over 30,000 images that can be filtered or categorized by artists, museums and more. Whatever your art preferences are, you sure will be spoilt for choice. It is fitted with an optional swivel mount that automatically detects and adjusts to an image's orientation. You can also feature pictures from your gallery and upload photos through the Mural app that is available on Android and iOS. It's been quite a journey going through all these devices with you, and to be honest, picking a favourite would be quite difficult, but if you had to, which one would you choose? Thanks for watching. As always, be sure to check out the video over here. A Day in the Life of Sundar Pichai, Google's CEO.